Hello guys, if you want to buy a drone, especially a used drone, today I'm going to show you 4 simple things you must do. You must check before you buy a drone. So make sure you follow these tips that I'm going to share with you. Now, let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is to take our aircraft and remove the battery like this. Now, when you remove the battery, you're going to look for the serial number of the aircraft. And you're going to find it below right here. As you can see, you're going to find the serial number of the aircraft right here. Now, this serial number, you're going to make sure that it matches the serial number found on the box. So if your drone comes with a box, you're going to find the serial number right here, as you can see. So you're going to make sure that this serial number matches the same serial number that is on the aircraft. Now, the third step is to check the serial number found on the controller. So if your aircraft is connected to your controller, you're going to go to your controller settings and check the serial number found there and make sure that it is the same serial number found on the aircraft or the box. So you're going to go to your settings. So you click on the 3 dots at the top right corner. That is the settings. Then you go to about. If you scroll down, you're going to find aircraft serial number. As you can see, you're going to make sure that this serial number is the same as the one found on the aircraft and the one found on the box. Now, the last step that I'm going to show you is also very, very important. Now, with this, so you're going to open your phone, then go to your browser and search for DJI device inquiry. Then let's click on the first link right here. Now, what we're going to do is to check if the serial number is correct or not. So you're going to go to set by serial number and you're going to input the serial number of the drone. So let's put the serial number right here. Then you're going to click on check right here at the bottom. So you're going to click on check, and now in some few seconds it is going to check to verify the serial number of the drone. As you can see, now it says this is a DJI Mini 3, which is correct, and it is going to show you the serial number, the activation time. It is also going to show you the warranty period and other information below. So these are the 4 things you must do, 4 things you must check before buying a drone, especially a used drone. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.